For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video. Yes, the first review of Salman Khan's Tubelight is here, and the film has struck a strong emotional chord. The opening is so melodious that one really feels it washes over you. Salman's cute innocence is indeed heartwarming, and the bonding between the Khan brothers is exemplary. The entire film is a roller coaster of emotions which make the viewers ride high on the tsunami unleashed. Salman in his childlike vulnerable avatar will make us pine to hug him and engulf him in the cocoon of our arms. Mateen's presence in the film does lighten things, and his equation with Salman too is something worth watching. All in all, Tubelight has surpassed all expectations and emerged victorious at the box office. Well, we rate the film 4 out of 5 and are sure that fans too would agree with this. So what is your feedback about Tubelight? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Tubelight is a big film, even saying this is an understatement. And when big films release, big trailers are often attached to it. Shah Rukh and Anushka starrer Jab Harry Met Sejal and Ajay Devgan's top-lining Badshah Ho were the two big trailers which were going to be attached to Tubelight. But now only Badshah Ho's trailer will play before the film. But before all you SRK fans get riled up, wait. We have confirmed news that a song from the movie called Radha from Harry Met Sejal will be played during the interval. Yes, you heard it right. We think it's a big deal and also a novel idea that a complete song will play during the interval. What do you think about the song being played in the interval instead of the trailer in the beginning? Give us your opinions in the comment section. Shah Rukh Khan's daughter Suhana Khan has been the apple of the media's eyes for the last couple of months. And why not? She looks gorgeous at every event and party she makes an appearance at. One such event was her mother Gauri Khan's restaurant opening. She looked every bit of a future star in an orange attire and was seen accompanied by her father. And even though one did not spot mother Gauri Khan with Suhana, but surely Gauri liked how Suhana carried out the outfit and even put up a cryptic message on her social media stating, "Orange worked." We decrypt the message as mother Gauri and daughter Suhana might have not been on the same page for the color of the dress Suhana was wearing, but seeing how well Suhana carried the dress, mother Gauri couldn't stop herself from obliging on social media, maybe to convey Suhana an apology. What do you think? Are we right, or the message was meant to be something else? Leave your opinions in the comment section. For all the Ranbir Kapoor fans out there who are eagerly waiting to see the star and his former lover Katrina Kaif come on screen, here is some news that will give them a reason to rejoice. Recently, the Barfi star and Anurag Basu opened up about their upcoming release Chakka Jasoos that releases on July 14th. In an interview, the Barfi actor expressed his zest for his upcoming flick and said, "I am just happy to be a part of this film, not just as an actor, as a producer too." The actor also didn't shy away from talking about his former beau Katrina Kaif and said, "Whatever I felt at that time, I am over it. I don't want to bring that negativity back in my life or say anything. It's fine. We are actors. It's part of show business." The actor also declined the rumors of having any cold vibes between the two, and they are still open to working together in future. Now isn't that a happy news for all the fans, as they can still hope to see this beautiful couple together on screen again. But the important question is, will they remain friends, or will they only get along if at all they do a film together? You can share your opinions in the comments section. Fans are waiting with bated breath as Shah Rukh and Salman are going to be seen sharing screen space on the silver screen after a gap of 10 years. Last they were seen dancing together in the celebrity number in Om Shanti Om. Shah Rukh's cameo had been kept under heavy wraps. We just saw a glimpse of the Badshah in the trailer, and when the director revealed that SRK will be playing a cameo in the film. But over the last 2 days, pictures and videos from the climax of the film have been surfacing on the social media, where we can see the look which has been given to Shah Rukh, and he is seen playing a magician. But by the looks of the leaked video footage, it seems Shah Rukh's character is the reason where Salman's character gets inspiration from when everyone around him has lost faith in his cause. We believe Salman's character goes through the turmoil of losing his brother, but he thinks he can get his brother back if only he stops the war, but no one believes him. And on his quest, when he stumbles upon SRK's character, he thinks his character can do anything. And Shah Rukh's character is seen teaching Salman to have faith, yaqeen in himself. Well, we are obviously sure that this particular scene will be a complete CT moment in the film. What do you think? For all the Bhai fans who are excited to watch his upcoming film Tube Light, here is some electrifying news that would make them jump off their seat. Yes, you heard that right. Bollywood star Salman Khan is all set to perform his live concert The Bang tour in India after 15 long years. The tour that includes top stars such as Sonakshi Sinha, Bipasha Basu, Prabhu Deva, Daisy Shah, Badshah, Manish Paul besides Salman has garnered an overwhelming response from the Indian diaspora in Hong Kong, Auckland and Melbourne a couple of months ago. Talking about it, actor Sohail Khan said, "Except for awards nights, Bhai doesn't perform live. He hasn't connected with his fans on such a scale for 15 years. An entire generation has passed since then." The 5-city voyage in India would cover places like Delhi, Chandigarh, Ahmedabad, Bengaluru and Kolkata. Well, now isn't that a great news for all Bhai fans? Are you thrilled to watch your favorite star performing live in your city? Do share your opinions in the comments section. Anees Bazmi's upcoming film Mubarakan is sure to enthrall and entertain like never before. Anil Kapoor and Arjun Kapoor will be playing nephew and uncle in real life too, and together their equation will be a dhamal watch. Just yesterday, Anil Kapoor had shared a teaser of the title track, and it did set our hearts beating hard. And finally today, when we got to enjoy the entire number, we were literally on the floor. The energy of this hit number is contagious and creates an ideal mood to party, and that too really hard. So put on your dance shoes and step on the dance floor to groove to this smashing rocking song. Well, we surely have it on our Saturday night party playlist. What about you? Countdown to the Bollywood superstar Salman Khan's upcoming film Tube Light has begun, and just hours before its release, seems like there is a news that could create huge panic for the makers of the film. The climax scene of the 2017's most awaited film Tube Light has leaked and is going viral. Yes, you heard that right. According to the Twitter account of Jab Harry Met Sejal, the climax would see a reunion of Sohail and Salman Khan. It also reveals that it's actually the King Khan of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan, who gives Salman the belief, that is yaqeen. The account has added a picture of Sohail Khan with the caption, "Climax में #Sohail जिंदा होकर लौटता है और सलमान से मिलता है, फिल्म खत्म। #SRK सर सलमान को यकीन सिखाते हैं। #भारत देखो ट्यूब लाइट"। Well, we gotta wait and see if this is how the movie unfolds, or are these just pure rumors to create the hype around the film before its release. Either ways, nothing can stop the fans of Bollywood Bhaijan from watching this film, isn't it? But we wonder if this is just a publicity gimmick or the actual climax of the film. Do let us know your opinions in the comment section.
ट्रेलर देखा है?
जी हाँ देखा है।
कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा। सलमान तो है ही हीरा आदमी, अल्लाह उसको अच्छा रखे, अल्लाह मियाँ और कामयाबी दे उनको। बहुत अच्छे, गुड।
ऐसी दुआएं है जो सलमान खान को, जो सलमान है वो बनाती है, राइट? आप लोगों जैसी दुआएं है।
जरूर हमारे से जितनी दुआ होगी हम उसके लिए दुआ करेंगे। हम बहुत सलमान खान को पसंद करें, अल्लाह उनको और कामयाबी दे, जितनी उनकी हयात रहे उतने वो कामयाब होते रहे।
आमीन आमीन
आमीन।
कैसा लगा आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लगा, हमने बहुत एंजॉय किया।
क्या क्या खासियत, कौन सी ऐसी बात थी ट्रेलर में जो आपके दिल को छू गई? बस
पिक्चर बहुत अच्छी है, ट्रेलर देखकर तो बहुत पसंद आ रहा है और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, और इंशाल्लाह पिक्चर भी उनकी बहुत सुपर हिट होगी, सुपर डुपर हिट हो।
सलमान खान की जो एकदम मासूम सी भोले जैसी बच्चे की लुक है मूवी में, क्या कैसी लगी आपको?
अभी भी एक नंबर यंग लगते हैं, बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं। इतनी उम्र में भी इंशाअल्लाह कोई बहुत उन जितना कोई मुकाबला नहीं कर सकता। बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे, जितनी भी तारीफ करूंगी कम है उनके लिए।
ओह माय गॉड। तो सलमान खान के लिए क्या गुड विशेस देना चाहोगे ट्यूबलाइट मूवी के लिए?
उनकी मूवी बहुत अच्छी, अल्लाह उनकी मूवी को इतनी तरक्की दे, इतनी तरक्की दे, इतनी तरक्की दे कि अल्लाह मियाँ उनको इतना कामयाब बनाए, हद से ज़्यादा अल्लाह बहुत कामयाबी दे उनको।
आमीन आमीन।
वो सबकी हेल्प करते हैं, वो सबकी मदद करते हैं, अल्लाह उनको अच्छा रखे, ता क़यामत तक जिंदा रखे। और हम भी ये उम्मीद रखेंगे तो शायद अल्लाह हमें भी एक बार उनसे मिला दे।
इंशाल्लाह इंशाल्लाह।
A die-hard fan of Salman Khan recently shared a picture on Twitter where he was holding something very precious in his hand. Well, yes, what is it? Yes, it is the tickets to Tubelight, the film which will be releasing in another 2 days. Fans are waiting with bated breath to see the emotions unfold on the big screen. The trend seems positive as the pre-bookings are going on in full swing. It definitely will be a house full this entire weekend. The footfall will be fans' gift to Salman as a token of gratitude to his Eid offering. So much adulation and love is rare to find, and if this trend continues, it's long before Tubelight creates history. So what do you think of these pre-booking trends? Do let us know. The world is yet to forget the disaster caused by Parmanu thanks to Pokhran. And years later, maker Abhishek Sharma is ensuring that he makes the event remain longer in our memories by making a film based on the unfortunate events that unfolded. So here we have a film Parmanu, the story of Pokhran. Starring John Abraham and Dinah Penty, the film will unearth some truly shocking facts. The first look of the film is already out, and with a simple map spread out, the aura and pace of the film is clearly conveyed. Slated to release on 8 December, this is one film we wouldn't want to miss. What about you? Do let us know. Superstar Salman Khan is all geared up to enchant the audience with his never-seen avatar in his upcoming film Tubelight. Helmed by Kabir Khan, the movie is slated to release on June 23, 2017. Post-Tubelight, fans would get to see Salman in Tiger Zinda Hai and Remo D'Souza's dance movie. However, the one film that would be just incomplete without this charming Bollywood superstar has been in the limelight for quite some time. Yes, we are talking about Dabangg 3, the third film in the Dabangg series. Earlier, there were reports that Arbaz Khan won't direct the third film of the franchise after directing Dabangg 2 that went on to become a huge hit. Well, now there are reports that Khan Boys invited several directors to send in their scripts for the film, and we hear they have shortlisted 3. While one of them would definitely make the cut, the others would be considered for independent films. Wow, we just can't wait to know who this person would be. In the meantime, who do you think should direct Dabangg 3? Do share your opinions in the comment section.